So it's been forever since I recorded anything. This is just a little bit, but I hope you enjoy. And yeah. Tickles. I think I feel one coming. I think. Oh. Here comes. Ah, fuck. I. Might be another one. I can't tell for sure. Oh no! Here it comes. Oh. Fuck. Probably a second. I don't know. I guess not. Weird. Only hitting singles. Maybe because they're so big. I'm just doing regular inducing, but oh my god, it tickles so bad. Oh fuck. Here goes. Oh my god. Ugh. So wet. Fuck. Ugh. Jeez. Well, I shredded that napkin. Fuck. This is good. Oh fuck. I hurt my throat and everything. Oh fuck. Yeah. So. Fuck. Oh, okay. Well, maybe one more. We'll see. I got 3 that time, so one more. I'll see how many I get, and then I'll be done. But yeah, this just been forever. I decided if I want to record again, and you know, sneeze a little for y'all. And I don't know. Hit me up too. I'm looking for more people to chat with. I might get a kick or whatever y'all do. Oh jeez. Oh man. Oh fuck. Tickles. Here goes. I think another one. Yeah. Oof. Wow. Oh, jeez. Okay. Well, long time no sneeze. Hope y'all enjoyed.